Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to co-branded marketing materials. You can now personalize and co-brand with your logo. Simply download and use on social media, newsletter, and any correspondence with buyers and sellers. You have access to the top reasons to buy in Miami, how Miami is the top ranking city. Impress your sellers by showing them over 750 websites their listings are published to, all around the world. Access the international referral network using Connect Global Marketing. Keep your thumb on the Miami-Dade School Choices using the Miami-Dade School Choices flyer. Use the South Florida Market Intel flyer as your source of the South Florida real estate market, and many more. Easily download and use any of these flyers for your marketing resources. Access logos such as the Miami Realtor logo, Commercial, Global, Broward, JTHS, and YPN logos to identify yourself as a member of Miami. Show that Miami is sharing listings with over 250 associations. Impress your residential and your commercial customers. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.